What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you step by step my current styling routine as it's been here in the morning for probably about the last 11 months as I've been going to my internship. For those that may not know, I have been interning right now as a mental health therapist. So basically my goal for the morning routine has been to look like I spent a lot of time getting ready without actually having all of that time to get ready. Clothing wise, the place I'm interning at has a business casual dress code. So today I'm going with a short sleeve shirt from Johnson & Murphy. They actually have a store here where I live, and I picked this up along with a bunch of other items. I really love that store. And I'm going to pair that today with some gray khaki type pants from American Eagle. From there, we are heading to the bathroom, and before I usually get to this step, I do shower and brush my teeth and all that, but I left that out of the video here for obvious reasons related to general awkwardness. But the point I want to make here is I go into the bathroom ready to get ready with my hair wet. From there, I usually start with a couple drops of tonic or oil. Usually I use my own, honestly, because I have a lot of it sitting around here, obviously, but I'm not trying to self-plug that much, so we're just going to move on from that. But I did want to just toss that out there because I am asked all the time if I do use my own stuff, and of course I do, and I do start with that in my routine for both my hair and beard. But in the morning, I don't have a whole lot of time to decide if I want to do pomade, clay, shine, natural, matte. I need something with great hold, easy styling, and just constant reliability. And to be totally honest, 80% of the time, I grab this right here, Cavalier Clay from Blumaan. And this is not just a plug. This is seriously what I've been doing at least 80% of the time. I'd say like at least 3 out of 5 days of the week, I just go with Cavalier because it's quick, it's easy, it's reliable. Sometimes I will mix it up with ocean clay as well, but a lot of the times, to be 100% honest, I just use Cavalier Clay, and I'll show you why here when I'm all done with the style. You'll see for yourself. And what I do is I start with blow drying. No pre-stylers usually. Sometimes I will, depending on the day or the temperature, or if I'm just wanting to change it up that day, have a little variation in there, I will use some pre-stylers. And some that I have used a lot in the past are Blackwater from Flagship, Original by Blumaan, of course, Cornerstone, and Hybrid. I mean, I've got a lot of pre-stylers that I like, and I do like to switch things up based on just general boredom. But like I said, 80% of the time, this is what I do. I just grab Cavalier and I go with it, because a lot of the time when I'm getting ready, I'm also getting another someone ready to go as well, which is no easy task. So every minute counts unless I want to get up super early, and well, that just doesn't happen. Back to blow drying now though. I am about done. I wanted to show you guys the whole thing as much as possible here, but now that I am all dry from the blow dryer, I am going to hit it with the cold air function to just seal things up. Sometimes I'll also actually, during this cool down phase, go and put my shoes on real quick if I'm really getting low on time, but here I'm just hitting it with the cold air function, and then I'll begin with my scoop. And instead of doing multiple scoops, again, for time, I'll just do one larger scoop. And I've done this so much that I can pretty much identify right away the size of the scoop that I can take without it being too much. I kind of know that limit of where I can go with it without it ending up badly. And from here, honestly, it's pretty straightforward. I'm running the scoop through my hair, making sure it gets as evenly applied as I can. And from there, I'm already almost done because I just need to get my comb out and give it a little bit of attention. And this is where that ease of use comes in, because it really only takes me about 30 seconds at most to achieve the style that I want. It just works so well with holding the hair together while still being able to be manipulated. I mean, it gives me volume, but allows me to bring it down if the volume is too much. I can just kind of give it a little tap and it'll go down. And then most importantly, it doesn't fail on me. Even if it's super hot, I mean, it doesn't fail. It stays all day nicely in my hair. I don't have to worry about it looking like crap halfway through my sessions of the day and then running to the bathroom to touch it up. So set it and forget it. That's usually my goal, and that's exactly what I get with Cavalier. And that's why I use it. If I didn't get that, I wouldn't use it. I'd use other stuff. That's just the honest truth of it. And from there, we're pretty much done. Just a few passes along the beard there, and that's usually it for what I do. At this point, I'm pretty much ready to go, and all I got to do is get my little things together, like my watch, my keys, which I always misplace, by the way. It's so freaking frustrating, which once I hunt those down, it's time to feed the dog, which I don't think I've introduced you guys to my pup here. He's 6 months old. He's a big 6 months old, but this is Copper Baskin. But once I get him his breakfast, I then go and grab my water for the day, and I'm ready to roll out. Now, honestly, this is just what I do. This is not what you have to do. I think everyone should form their own routine and find what works for them. And if you would like to check out the Blumaan products or any of the stuff that I mentioned here, links will be in the description, and discount codes too. too will also be in the description. And for Blumaan specifically, you can actually type in my name at blumaan.com. It's just Mike. Type it in the coupon box there. It saves you some money if you're interested. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you drop me a like and maybe share with me in the comments section how your routine differs from mine, since we all do different things. Thank you so much as always for checking out this video and my channel. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button there. Thank you so much for that in advance. And as always, take it easy, stay healthy, stay safe. I'll see you next time.